Well, good afternoon, guys. How y'all doing? So today is Monday, first day of the week, guys, and we are sitting on the green. We up $65 on the Schwab account, and we are down 14, almost $15 on the Webull account. Even though earlier, we were up on the Webull, we were up, I think, about $10. It kind of I took some trades on the Webull, took SCKT, JWEL, AUUD, and I think it was ABCL. I took them four stocks. I traded them four stocks on the Webull account. But the main one that I want to talk about is SCKT. This stock ended up doing a short squeeze all the way to 397 from $1.30. And I traded it right here going on this uptrend close to here, and I got out right here close to the 150 mark, and after I got out, it immediately squeezed to $3.97. And I was laughing just for the fact that if I would have held it for I don't know 5 more seconds, I would have that squeeze. The thing is, and a lot of people didn't notice, that squeeze right here only lasted 2 seconds at the most, and it immediately flushed. This is because it's a minute. It doesn't show it, but if you had the 10-second chart on the Webull, it will show you the drop, and they immediately drop after that candle. And yeah, just overall on that one, I started good on the Webull, and I actually traded on the Schwab too, and um it didn't work out too good. I think on the Schwab, I only took a few trades and I was down about $30. I think I entered here for a break of new highs, or well, not new highs. It was kind of a retest of new highs, and ended up flushing down a little bit, and then ended up going sideways. So I kind of left on the sidelines on the Schwab account and waited until market open, and I did some options. Um, I went for Palantir. Palantir didn't work out for me today. It worked out. I mean, it kind of did a little bit, but it wasn't as much to get out of the red. Then I jumped into Microsoft. Microsoft worked. The first trade did not work out. The second one, though, it was a 20 cents profit on 5 contracts. So that put me up $65 per for the day. So that was amazing. Uh, Ended up being green on the Schwab account. Now on the Webull, on the other hand, I traded a few options to hold the Microsoft all the way to I was down probably like $50 on the Webull, and I hold the Microsoft for about 30 minutes until kind of set me up to a $14-15 red day, and I was a smaller red day, so I took it. And because after that, I ended up flushing and then going sideways. Microsoft did. I can probably show y'all the what I ended up doing. So when I took the option on Microsoft earlier, it was on this uptrend right here, and then as you can tell, it flushed all the way to BWAP, and then kind of ended up, trying to make a little downtrend, went below BWAP, retest BWAP, and it was kind of playing on that area, but this was my area of playing right here. I was out on this downtrend. I was not touching that, and I had all the stuff to do, so um, that was my window right here. But then after that, of course, it worked out fine. I would say it was a good day overall. A lot of squeeze. I mean, SCKT when I think 500%. during pre-market, 583% during pre-market. So that was actually an amazing stock. One thing about it though, it was a Chinese. It is a U.S. company. I thought it was a Chinese stock, but it is a U.S. company. So that was really good to see. Interesting. Almost 600% squeeze um, during pre-market. But yeah, overall, guys, today was a good day, a green day, and we hope to continue this streak for the rest of the week. And tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm gonna try to trade. It's probably not gonna be a no trade day for me Tuesday because I need to go somewhere in the morning. I need to leave at 7 o'clock, and I won't be back until the afternoon. That being said, I doubt I'll be able to trade tomorrow at all. So probably gonna be a no trade day, and I'm gonna try and take some trades on the Webull. Just through my phone because sometimes it works. I just I just use any works. Fine. I really like the turbo trade on Webull on my phone. But yeah, overall, guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all probably Wednesday since tomorrow's not gonna be a video. So I'll see y'all Wednesday. Have a good one. Bye.